On this video, I'm going to show you how to use metallic colored pencils, construction paper crayons, and gel markers. All of these work great on color paper and black paper. So I'm going to start by drawing I think I'm going to draw a skull. I'm using a white gel marker. If you have not drawn a skull before, you might want to draw in pencil first. So I start by drawing almost a complete circle. Oh, I didn't show up very well. There we go. And then I draw part of a rectangle at the bottom. I'm going to draw 2 circles for the eyes down towards the bottom of the circle part of the head. And a triangle for the nose. The teeth go down in the rectangle part. I'll start by drawing a line to separate the top teeth from the bottom. Then I'm going to draw bumps. Little bumps, like flower petals almost. And then I'm going to line up the bottom teeth with what I drew in the top teeth. I can change my gel marker color. Maybe this will be a Day of the Dead skull. So I might add some flower petals around the side. As the color dries, it'll become brighter. I can also add some details with the metallic colored pencils. Maybe I wanted to draw tiny flowers in the middle of the eye. Colored pencils will still need to be layered as you draw with them and color with them. Maybe I'll draw a little rose on the forehead. To draw roses, I normally start with a spiral, draw a line and a line, and then I'll draw kind of wavy lines around and connect to that spiral. Then I'll layer more wavy lines for the petals. I might draw some leaves on the side. And maybe add a little bit of value to show that the petals are curving out some. It's a little darker next to the other petals where they overlap. You could also color it, maybe with the construction paper crayons. Now I'm coloring kind of lightly, so you can't see the color a whole lot, and I might lose a little bit of the detail. But I could push down harder and get some brighter color with the crayon. And this crayon works well on top of the gel marker, so it'll cover up where you've colored with marker as well. I could even go back and add some Sharpie. So this yellow didn't seem to work, so I might go back and on this side, I might add some Sharpie onto my sugar skull. That looks really bright now. I might go back and add some on this side too. One more thing I can do is if I color inside these petals with the construction paper crayons, just like with regular crayons, I can go back with that scratch tool and add some detail if I layer the wax of the crayon on there pretty thick. Here's my scratch tool. And so you can see the black of the paper shine through. Remember, if you push too hard on your paper, it might cut through it. That means I can go back into this rose and scrape some of that color off. Also, regular white crayons work really well on black paper. All right, so now it's your turn. You can choose to draw a skull, or you can make something else on this black or colored paper using the metallic colored pencils, construction paper crayons, and the gel markers.